Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
What's going on, YouTube? Man, shoot, we tuning in, man, for another video, man, shoot. And what I'm gonna be tackling, man, is trying to get my AC fixed. I gotta change the damn evaporator cord. Let me go get it. Alright, this is where I'm be changing. Damn evaporator cord. And this thing, for it to be done, I have to move the whole dash out the way because the box is up under the up under here. Yeah, you make it. Yeah, you can cheat with getting with the heater cord out, but the evaporator cord for the AC is tucked up in that box, man. So I got some disassembling to do. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start snatching this dash out. At least moving it out the way. That way I can get to everything else, get to that box. And I'll catch y'all back on. I got it all loosened up, but I just pulled it out. I don't want to take it all the way out. Man, this thing heavy. But yeah, I got that pulled out. Shoot, now I gotta work on getting this dude out. Man, there's some bolts like way, I know it's a couple of them way in the back. I'm gonna have to pull up, undo. Man, I'm not, it's gonna be terrible. But not only that, I'm gonna go take this stuff off. I take this off, disconnect this dude. Get this out the way, and then I'll be able to finish getting that box out as well. And also, I gotta disconnect the heater hoses as well. So let's see if I can get y'all in there. Yeah, I gotta take them off as well. I'm gonna just give me a little piece of pipe and just tie them in, that way I don't lose all my coolant. And yeah, man, shoot, I'm just moving along. Shoot, actually detaching this dash, it really didn't take that long. It wasn't really that bad. I'd say it probably took me about 35, 40 minutes, 40 minutes max, 35, give or take. But yeah, if I had somebody to help me, help me out or whatnot, I would just put the whole dash out the way. But I don't, one man band. So let me go ahead, get to taking this stuff off up under the hood, and I'll tune y'all back in once I'm a little close. Shoot, man, I got that box out. As y'all can see, it up under here. There's nothing up under here, man. That's fine. Just to get to this piece. Shoot. But yeah, I guess while I got it open, I'm gonna go ahead and check these other blend doors and stuff out. Well, I gotta get 2 modules for, because, well, that's the blend door right there. These are the actuators for the your different vents on this side. It should be 2 of them, but they never be there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mess with this thing, pop this thing open, get it out, swap it out, whatnot. And I'll tune y'all back in once I get ready to do it. Alright, y'all. So I got them all unscrewed. Gotta pull this vent off too, because if you don't, this part won't come up. See, it just comes off like that. Okay, there you go. Now y'all do not, man, make sure if y'all ever do this, do not bump that at all. Or else you'll be having problems. You'll be having to replace that. I think it's a thermal switch or something. But this thing goes like, this thing filthy. It's filthy, that's for sure. But bring out the new one. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now, y'all? Shoot, I can't do this with one hand. I'm gonna put this around the edge like it was on there. Then I'm gonna take that screen off, clean it up, whatever. Then try to fit it back on the other side if it will go back on. It should though. But I'm gonna go ahead and get on to that, y'all. And y'all, yeah, I'm also get all that dirt out and leaves and debris. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this going, y'all. Making progress, y'all. Making progress. As y'all see, I got the dashboard back up. I just still got finished putting it back together, but for the most part, all the major bolts are back in. See the air box back in. So, yeah, other than that, y'all, shoot, I mean, it's going, y'all. It's going. Still got to reconnect the heater hose and put the accumulator back, but I'm not going to wear it. You know, this is going to be last, so, yeah, that's going to be like the last thing I'm going to be doing. I want to get all the inside done first. Well, I'm gonna stick these back on real quick. No big thing. Oh. Hold on now. Alright, there we go. Alright, now those back on. Put these clips back on there. Like so. I can grab it. Alright. Damn hose in the way. Yeah, y'all, it's harder to work. Though I'm using my phone, it's still hard. Oh shit, it's too far back. There we go. Alright, now, that's done with. Oh shoot, thinking about just not replacing that thing. I need to replace that in the orifice tube anyway, before I can even charge the AC up. So, yeah, I need to stick that coolant reservoir back, but I'll do that last. I just wanted to get that done, get that out the way at least. But, yeah, I'm just chugging along, man, shoot. And, so I'll clip y'all back on. Y'all, see, I got it complete. Got the dash all put back together. Yeah, don't mind my laptop, man. I was watching YouTube while I was doing this. Not out of how to, but just watching something that has some background noise. So now, just pumping this AC system that was vacuuming it out. Holding negative. Should be all the way though. Hopefully I don't have nothing else that's busted. The only other thing it could be is this condenser. But yeah, y'all, so I can go ahead, like I said, vacuum this down. And then I go ahead and put some Freon in if it's not leaking. That's what I'm going ahead and cut the video right here, y'all. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Oh yeah, and also appreciate the support. You know what I'm saying? Y'all keep rocking with your boy. Well, YouTube, bad news, man. Bad news. It's not holding vacuum. So, what I'm gonna end up doing, I'll probably just pump the system up with air. That way I can find where it's leaking at. Either that or get some that UV leak protection, that UV leak dye, whatever. And I just go from there, man. Shoot, like only things I can see that may still be leaking is either the condenser or the AC line itself. And actually, it's two different lines. This line right here that goes to the condenser, and then this main line right here. It also goes to the condenser, but it goes to the dryer as well. So, and I know that's not leaking over there. The dryer's not leaking. So, yeah, I'm gonna just get it leak. Just get it that UV dye kit. Just shoot some up in there so I can see where it's going. That way I don't be just wasting money, just buying parts for no reason. But at the same time, shoot, if I was to get that AC line and condenser, and shoot, even that accumulator, yeah, my AC system would be basically brand new. My compressor is not that old. I just replaced that, and then I'm a Freon leaked out from somewhere. So that's where I'm at right now, y'all. So, and not only that, this little tube used for the Freon, it decided to break. So even if I wanted to try to just hold it up just to see what it would do, or even put some kind of stock leak or the dye in there, I can't do it now. This damn thing broke, and it broke right there in the threads. So gotta get another one of those. And yeah, so though I got that evaporator in, that was a success, but still AC failed. So I'm next time, man, sure you guys, you know what I'm saying, I'll come back on, start messing with this thing. My AC will be working. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video at that, y'all. Yeah, it sucks. So a few more days of riding with no AC. Luckily, it ain't been hella hot out here yet in Texas, so yeah, hopefully I got a little bit more time. But till the next time, y'all. It just pissed me off. But man, I'm gonna end this video, y'all. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate the love, y'all, and the support.